In this video, we will learn about reproduction and modes of reproduction. Now, first of all, what is reproduction? Okay, so basically, it is a process in which living beings produces a new individual which is similar to them. Okay, now if a human is reproducing, he's producing a human again. Okay, not a dog. And if a dog is reproducing, he is or it is about to produce a dog only. Okay, which is that if a species is reproducing, then it will always produce another offspring of the same species. Now, it is the most essential feature of all living things, and it is biological necessity because of the following reason. First is it serves as a means of multiplication of organism. Okay, now this dog will multiply. It can produce two dogs by reproduction. So the species will expand like this. Now it maintains a continuity of the species by replacing those organisms that die from time to time. Okay. Now modes of reproduction. So it can be of two types. First is asexual reproduction. So when only one parent is involved, okay, and there are no reproductive cells which are known as gametes are formed, which means that no formation of gametes takes place, then I can say it is asexual reproduction. Now, basically, what happens is mitotic division takes place of the body cells. Now, body cells are also known as somatic cells. Basically, any dividing cell of your body is a somatic cell. Okay. Now, when a cell divides, it divides into two identical cells. Again, it divides into two identical cells, and so on. Now, this kind of division is happening in asexual reproduction. Now, they are genetically identical to the parent. Now, the group of genetically identical organism arising asexually from a single parent is called a clone. Okay, which means that lower organism like algae, fungi, bacteria, protozoans, and many plants reproduce by asexual reproduction. Best method is binary fission, budding, fragmentation, spore formation, and vegetative propagation. Basically, what happens is, let us take a amoeba. Okay, this is amoeba. Now, amoeba, after doing mitotic division, form two daughter cells which are similar to this amoeba. Okay, this is first and this is second. Basically, what amoeba does is binary fission. Okay, second is budding. Basically, budding is, suppose this is hydra. Now, a bud will grow from it, and after some time, after a particular growth stage, the bud becomes so enlarged that it detaches itself and makes a new hydra like this. So this is budding. Now fragmentation basically happens when, suppose this is one body. Now there are many fragments in the body, and all the fragment produce different offsprings like this. Spore formation and vegetative propagation. Now sexual reproduction basically involves male gamete, which is sperm, and female gamete, which is egg. Okay, now this is sperm and this is egg. Now these gametes are haploid cells. Basically, our body contain diploid cells. Okay, we have two sets of chromosomes. Now in gametic cells or gamete cells, we have only haploid set of chromosome. Okay, now on the fusion of egg with the sperm, a diploid zygote is formed. So this is sperm, it is haploid. This is egg, it is also haploid. When they fuse together, they form a zygote. Now this zygote is diploid. Okay. Now the process of fusion of haploid nucleus of the sperm to that of ovum to form a diploid zygote is called fertilization. Now from the zygote, the new individual develops. Okay. Now what is sexual dimorphism? Basically, in majority of animals, male and female gametes are produced in separate animals like male sex and female sex. Now, like in us, man will produce sperms and a woman or a female will produce a egg. Okay, female, male, or a man. Okay, so this is sexual dimorphism, sperm and egg cell. Okay, both are haploid like this. Now, the female and male individuals often show external morphological differences. These distinct observable differences in the physical traits, as the size and appearance between the male and the female of that particular species, in addition to the sexual organs themselves. Okay. Now, this is called sexual dimorphism. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.